Okay, welcome to our website, CellBotics.com. I'm going to go over how to post a job. It can kind of be confusing if you've never used like a WordPress login, and we may be changing this in the future, and then I would remove this video. But for now, this is how it is. So you go to CellBotics.com, you have job board pages here. This is going to be job listings for job seekers, post a job for employers, and then your job dashboard. Once you actually post jobs, you can go there and actually see your jobs, okay? So post a job for employees. Scroll down here and you've got some instructions. You'll need to sign in or create an account, and then hit preview and then submit after filling out all the fields. Okay, so here you can hit sign in if you already have an account, and it would go to this screen, but we're going to go ahead and create one just so then I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so my email, and I'm just using our email for our computers on our desks. I'm just going to put Microsoft Tech. And then you've got like different things down here that you can kind of select from. And so you can just kind of select from them. And if there's something there you want to add, I don't think you can, but you can kind of message us and we'll add it in there, okay? Because this is really new, so please don't feel afraid to reach out to us and ask. You have this little contact thing down here. You can just email us, info@cellbotics.com. And then you're just going to put, job description. I'm just going to make this really big so then you can see how far it goes and what it looks like. And then their where they would actually send the application, and this will be visible to the applicant. If you want to make a video, you can put a link there. You can put your Twitter there, and then if you want to attach your logo, which is pretty cool, okay? And then you do preview. And then it kind of just like gives you what the listing would look like. And then you have to hit submit listing. You'll see this top bar has showed up on some of them. If this is your back end, that means it's logged you in. If you don't have that, it's just either you don't see it or it hasn't logged you in yet, okay? So if you see it from here, okay, this right here is just like about your profile. So basically when you post a job, you get a WordPress login so then you can change it. I mean, you literally can change like colors of what all this looks like. You can show or not show that toolbar when you log in. If it's confusing for you, you can enter in your name. You can add like an image of yourself, put all your profiles, right? So this is just like your user profile, okay, for job posting, right? And then you can go over here where it says dashboard on the left side. And so this basically is like the back end of the website. And I know it's really confusing, like, why would I see this? This is just what they use for people adding jobs. I don't know. We're working on getting like a better user back end, but this is it for now. Okay, and then so say you want to see your jobs. Like, well, where's my jobs, right? You can go to visit site, up here in the left top corner, and then job dashboard for employers. And there would be your jobs. Now it's not approved yet, but you can still edit or delete it, okay? Now let's come over here to my email and see if we got anything from the system. Okay, no, it does not send you any email or anything, okay? So let's see what it looks like when we log out. So I'm just gonna X out, make a new tab, CellBotics.com. Gonna need to log out. Hello. Okay. So log out. I'm gonna go right back to CellBotics.com. because this is, you know, ultimately what you're going to do. And then say you want to look at your job dashboard. And it says sign in. You hit sign in. In. And if you have it remember you to remember every time when you come back. And again, there's your jobs, and then you can post the job right there. Okay, so if you want to post another job, you just do that. So let's just go through here and post another test one, so then you kind of see what that looks like. Preview. Oops. See how it says something is required? Let's see here. Give us the description. Preview. Always have to hit preview, okay? And then submit listing. Okay, and then you go, again, job board pages. Job dashboard for employers. Apologize. And there you go. There are your jobs. Okay, so now I want to show you what it looks like when the job is actually approved, because these are not approved. So let's just refresh this because I just approved it. And there you go. There's your job. So it says edit, marked filled, duplicate, and delete. So if you want to edit, you just go in here, and that gives you the expiration date and everything. And you can actually just edit the job. So I hope this made this easy for you guys. Please reach out if you have questions. Thank you for posting a job. We're going to be pushing this out to technicians, and I hope you find the person that you need to work for you. All right, bye-bye.